This is our situation every winter.
After the snowy New Year's Day, Stefan and I went out to check our car parked outside.
Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. For this vlog, I'm gonna show you the winter here in Örebro, Sweden. As you can see, it's snowing hard. Honey, honey. And we have to be careful because it can be slippery. There's a shortcut to Lidl. We're going to Lidl to buy food for tonight. Vacation is over. I'm gonna start working tomorrow. Oh, you can see it's snowing whole day. You can see it's like cotton. Whew, very cold. So I'm gonna keep now my cell phone. I'm just gonna end this video for now because my hand is freezing cold. Oh, nice! Love you, Karen. It's a big heart. Hello guys, good morning and Happy New Year. Now I'm going back to reality, back to work. Now it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to work and I'm going to open the preschool. And now I am on my way and it's so slippery because yesterday it snowed and after that it was raining, so it was difficult to walk. Now it's very slippery. Some managed to ride a bike, but not me. I had my share of accidents already, so with bike, so not for me. So how was New Year, guys? I hope you had fun with friends and your families. Oh, here in Sweden, New Year means winter and it's cold and slippery. So hope you like this video, guys. Keep watching how and see how is winter here in Sweden. Good morning. Sunny, cold, and white here in Sweden. I love the sun. In today's vlog, I will share to you what I usually do on weekends, especially when it's winter here in Sweden. So first, we're gonna clean the house. There's a lovely sky today. It was sunny a little bit, and now I see the moon. So nice. I'm just going to the shortcut. Well, guys, now are we out? And I'm going to Lidl to shop for dinner tonight. I am planning to buy chicken and pineapple and coconut milk or cream. We'll check if what's available because I am craving for pinaknihang manok. It's a popular Filipino viand or dish. And here is the situation now. It's slippery still and much snow, the boulders of snow. So hopefully we can buy and cook for dinner, and Karen and Stefan would like my pininyahang manok and lumpia Shanghai. So slippery. What I like in Lidl because they have good prices on their vegetables and fruits.